the question is this. The powertrain development and implementation really costs hundreds of millions of dollars for a single automaker. It's true. To develop an engine or a transmission is very expensive. How can major U.S. manufacturers commonize design and manufacturing processes and share these costs over various products and companies? And secondly, most people do not care where their transaxle or engine comes from, and they really don't today. Now, Brian and Becky may take exception because they got gasoline running through their veins, but most customers, they really don't care. Now, where did this question come from? Okay, I mean, why is that being asked today? And here's why, and this is the press that's just starting to circulate on this issue. As battery electric vehicles become a larger and larger percentage of our sales in this country and around the world, quite frankly, we have all of this engine and transmission capacity that's sitting there that very quickly could be, based on what happens, underutilized. And the market share to develop a new gas engine is going to continue to go down. So the cost per unit for development just goes up. So this theory has been just recently, in the last 2 weeks, seriously, has been floated out there. Why don't we just have one big giant engine and transmission manufacturing company in the U.S., in North America? Yeah, on the surface, makes a lot of sense, right? Practical nature, that could be a difficult thing to do. There's a lot of issues around that. But I think it's an issue, a question that we, especially those of us in the manufacturing world, automotive in particular, need to be thinking about. Maybe that's where we're headed. Maybe that's what's going to happen. Likewise, do we really need every automotive manufacturer to build their own battery plant if they want to get into battery electric vehicles? Nah, it's a good question. Maybe we ought to be rethinking about how we do these things.
So